Step into pure 1957 American luxury where classic style meets unstoppable V8 power. This Ford Thunderbird isn't just a car, it's a timeless icon, and in the next few minutes you're about to see why collectors and enthusiasts alike are falling in love all over again. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we are stepping into a piece of pure American automotive history, the one, the only 1957 Ford Thunderbird. And let me tell you, this isn't just any T-Bird, this is a frame-off, restored, jaw-droppingly sharp classic, ready to turn heads at every corner for $44,995. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you notice something special. That full blue repaint gleams under the light, perfectly highlighting the T-Bird's iconic timeless lines. And those wire wheels, absolutely classic. They aren't just wheels, they're a statement that says, I respect the past, but I drive it in style today. Now lift that removable hardtop and you're immediately greeted by a two-tone, pleated vinyl interior that feels luxurious even by modern standards. But the magic doesn't stop there. Slide down the manual convertible top and suddenly you're cruising under the sky with one of the most legendary designs in American car history. This Thunderbird was designed to make every ride an event, and trust me, it still does. Under the hood lies a 312 cubic inch V8 paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless power and that unmistakable vintage American V8 growl. The Holley 4-barrel Carburetor aluminum radiator and dual electric fans ensure this car isn't just showy, it's mechanically reliable, ready to hit the open road anytime. And the dual exhaust system, that's the soundtrack to your adventure. Pure, raw, classic American muscle music. But what really sets this T-Bird apart is how it blends classic design with modern-day comfort and convenience. With power steering, power brakes, power windows, and power seats, you don't just drive this car, you command it effortlessly. Add in cold air conditioning, heat defrost, and an AM/FM cassette stereo, and suddenly a 1957 classic feels like a luxury modern cruiser. Every detail is meticulously restored, from the controls to the interior trim, keeping authenticity alive while giving you the comfort you crave. Imagine rolling down the boulevard, soft top down, the sun glinting off the flawless blue paint, heads turning at every corner. You're not just driving a car, you're experiencing an era when cars weren't just transportation, they were art. And this Thunderbird, it's a masterpiece in motion. And let's talk about versatility. Both tops give you options, a sleek, streamlined hardtop for those picture-perfect car show moments, or the convertible top for that endless summer drive. Every angle of this car tells a story. Every curve, every line, every detail whispers luxury, craftsmanship, and the thrill of driving. Even the interior details are nothing short of spectacular. The two-tone pleated vinyl seats aren't just beautiful, they invite you to sink in and enjoy the ride. The dashboard, the gauges, the chrome accents, they all scream vintage sophistication. Every inch of this Thunderbird has been cared for, polished, and perfected. So whether you're a classic car collector, a weekend cruiser, or just someone who appreciates the timeless elegance of American automotive history, this 1957 Ford Thunderbird isn't just a car. It's a statement. It's history you can drive. It's an experience you can feel. And at $44,995, this masterpiece offers both accessibility and absolute luxury. If you're serious about owning a piece of American legend, this Thunderbird is ready to make its mark in your collection. Every turn of the wheel, every press of the pedal, every glance at its flawless lines reminds you why the 1957 Thunderbird isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button if you love classics. Comment below what your dream car from the 50s would be, and don't forget to subscribe for more ultra luxury rides, restored legends, and automotive perfection. Until next time, keep it classic, keep it stylish, and keep it moving.